Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how you can delete one of your landing pages.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are at the home page of the Deberoo platform, and in this video you will learn how you can delete one of your landing pages in the Landing Page Builder. First, we need to open the Landing Page Builder. To do so, go to the tab Advertising and then click on Landing Page Builder. You will now be brought to the page My Landing Pages, which is where you can find your saved landing pages. This is also the page where you can delete your landing page. To delete one of your landing pages, go to the template that you want to delete and unfold the options underneath it. You will now find the button Delete. Click on the button Delete to delete this lander, and you will now get a pop-up asking whether you're 100% sure you want to delete this landing page. Please note that after you have deleted a landing page, there is no way of reviving your landing page. So you need to be 100% sure you won't be using this landing page anymore. If that is the case and you really want to delete this landing page, click on the button Delete. Now your landing page will be deleted and it's no longer under your saved landing pages. You now know how you can delete a landing page from your Landing Page Builder.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.